Running a school today is not just about academics, but it's about building the overall organization. It's an institution wherein the academic excellence, then experienced teachers, then systems, processes, branding, marketing, all things needs to come together. And many of the time it happens that our principals, our school owners, our directors, they are very good when it comes to academics, but when it comes to handling these kind of issues related to sustainability, or when marketing comes, or any kind of challenges comes in terms of maybe a relationship between parents and schools, or retaining good talent, maybe good teachers, experienced teachers. All these are some of the issues related to leadership. I know you all are very good, excellent leaders, but we all human need some sort of push, some sort of help, some sort of hand-holding support, and that's how, by understanding this existing challenge, existing gap, we are coming up with something very very unique, which is called as School Administration Diploma course for all the leaders. Though you are school leader, you are owning the school, you are director, you are principal, or you would like to, you are aspiring to become school administration, maybe center head, coordinator, all these kind of profiles you are looking for, this is the right course for you. This course will not only help you to make you eligible to qualify you for certain kind of post, but at the same moment of time it will enhance your vision, that will help you to become that visionary leader, and also help you to understand what are the current and future ready demands to make ourselves sustainable, maybe equip ourselves with the upcoming or current trends, whichever is required to build that excellence in educational organization. May it is NEP policy, what kind of compliance are needed, how to make our teachers capable of enhancing the quality of education on a very regular basis, then what kind of systems and processes needs to be built, what kind of branding we should actually make, so that this organization, this educational organization should be the dream choice for all the parents, and everyone wants to actually take admission for their pupil awards to your school. And that is what actually we are helping you to grow that kind of dream organization, dream educational organization through our school administration program. And here are some details. There is one good news, that because this is the festive season, and yeah, Navratri is coming, so we are coming up with certain kind of special offer for 9 school leaders and principals. So this is something very very unique we are doing for the first time. So though we are running these courses like from many years, but now we are coming up with some unique program, that is workshop. It would be 1 day workshop wherein we will cover all those topics which are very very relevant and very very important, that needs to be taken care in 1 day workshop. Understanding the time commitment for leadership roles, we are making it on Sunday, that is 5th October, and it's an in-person event wherein we are choosing dynamic 9 leaders, and we will be helping them, handholding them throughout all the topics, major topics which we are covering within this program. And then later on you can take it in the online mode or self-study mode, wherein you may complete your assignments, your assessment, evaluation, all those kind of process will be continue later on once you finish this 1 day event. So for this 1 day event, we are looking forward for 9 women who really want to grow in their academic maybe career, or if you are a school owner, if you are looking forward for growth of your school and wants to become that number one school in your vicinity at national level, international level, then this opportunity you should not miss. So I would like to see you in my upcoming workshop that is on 5th of October on school administration. So are you ready for the same? For more details, contact us. Details are given with this video. Thank you.